Hello guys, this is Miss Souvik and today I will discuss about which microphone I purchased for my YouTube videos. This is a lavalier microphone which I purchased from Amazon and it cost me around 200 rupees. So it has a 1.5 meter long audio cable and it gives a decent quality audio output. I will give a audio comparison at the end of this video, so keep watching. So let me give you a closer look of this mic. I think this mic is the cheapest lapel mic in Amazon, but I have to say, the audio quality is pretty decent. It has a decent quality microphone with a great quality metal clip. And it comes with a 3.5mm audio jack at the end of the 1.5 meter long cable. You just have to put the jack into any 3.5mm audio port and start recording. In my Samsung mobile it works pretty well, but any case if you face any problem such as bad quality audio, don't worry. Buy a audio splitter like this or this cheap one. Now let me give you a specification overview. It has a 1.5 meter long cable, 6.0 into 2.7 mm diameter, -30 dB and -2 dB sensitivity with 2020 kHz frequency range. Best buy link is in the description. Hello guys, this audio was recorded with the built-in microphone of my mobile and you can feel a large amount of noise there. And now I switch to the microphone which comes with my earphone. And I am now recording with the lavalier microphone. Hope you guys can understand the difference of sound quality between all the microphones. So that's it for the day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And now the time is to be signing out.